Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to discuss about the material of TOEFL preparation course. We have discussed about listening from skill 7 to skill 13. Yeah, so skill 7 to 10 are talking about negatives, and then skill 11 to 13 are talking about more expression. So I won't explain much here because you have got the material. So I will discuss one by one for the questions that you have done, yeah, in my class. Nah, so this is the discussion. Yeah, so I display the transcript, and then I also display about the answer. Yeah, so here, wait a minute. Nah, we discuss first from exercise skill 7 to 10. Yeah, so if you still remember, it talks about negative and then double negative, almost negative, and negative with comparative. Yeah, so let's discuss from number one. Number one is, do you think you could try a little harder? It's impossible for me to do more. Nah, so it's talking about skill 7, negative, ya. It's impossible for me to do more. Tidak mungkin untuk melakukan lebih, berarti dia sudah melakukan yang terbaik. Therefore, the answer is C. She's doing the best that she can. And then number two, why are you so upset about? Not once on this trip has the bus left on time. Yeah, so it's double negative. Ya, jadi tidak satu pun, sorry, it's negative only. Tidak satu pun bis bisa datang tepat waktu. Artinya bisnya selalu datang terlambat. So therefore the answer is B. Yeah, the bus has always been late. And then the next one, number 3, was there enough soup to go around? Kalau yang ini negatif, almost negatif ya, yang ada di skill 9. There was barely enough soup for everyone at the table. Jadi supnya cukup untuk setiap orang. Tapi kalau sudah dimakan semua ya habis. Oleh karena itu jawabannya yang C. Everyone got one serving of soup, but there wasn't enough for second. And then number 4, do you really want to move to Florida? I couldn't want anything more. Ya, so aku tidak menginginkan yang lain. Artinya dia sangat ingin pergi ke Florida. Oleh karena itu jawabannya yang B. It's important to her to go. The next one is number 5. Did you turn in your research paper for history class? I couldn't turn it in because it was incomplete. Ini double negative. Aku tidak bisa mengumpulkannya karena aku belum selesai. Artinya apa? Artinya papernya belum selesai. Oleh karena itu jawabannya yang D. The paper was unfinished. And the number 6. Do you think that your friends enjoy their trip to the Museum of Modern Art? Ini juga double negative. She doesn't care for the modern art and neither does Tim. Artinya, dua-duanya tidak peduli dengan modern art. Ya, jadi jawabannya adalah yang D. Sylvia and Tim agree in their opinion of modern art. Ya, jadi untuk yang skill nomor 6 ini hampir sama dengan nanti di skill 11 ada agreement. Nah, ini akan muncul lagi. Kemudian nomor 7. Can your friends go with us this afternoon, or do you think they will be too busy? They hardly ever work in the afternoon. What does the man say about his friend? Nah, mereka jarang, berarti ada almost negatif ya. Mereka jarang bekerja di siang hari. Artinya mereka tidak banyak bekerja setelah makan siang. Ya, so karena siang hari itu relatif afternoon itu relatif dengan setelah makan siang, because usually they have lunch at noon. Yeah, so therefore the answer is B. They don't do much after lunch. And then number 8. Do you think we could turn the air conditioner on? I'm really comfortable. The air conditioner never works when it gets warm. So you can imagine when your air conditioner doesn't work, ya. Jadi di sini uh, kalau udaranya panas itu malah AC-nya tidak berfungsi. Nah, so jawabannya yang C. The air conditioner only work when it isn't needed. Ya, jadi hanya bekerja di saat yang tidak dibutuhkan. And then number 9. I heard that your exam results were not too bad. Actually, I've never done worse. Double negative. Aku tidak pernah melakukan yang lebih buruk dari ini. Artinya dia benar-benar sudah melakukan yang, ya, you know that he did worse. Ya, so jawabannya adalah yang A. He did really poorly. And then number 10. Did the committee come to the decision about the parking problem? The committee shouldn't have decided the issue when so many members weren't present. Ini juga double negatif. Ya, jadi harusnya komite itu sebaiknya tidak memutuskan isunya sebelum anggotanya pada datang. Ya, oleh karena itu jawabannya yang B. The committee should have waited until more members were present. Ya. Nah, kemudian kita masuk ke skill 11 sampai 13. Ini skill 11 itu tentang negatif. Skill 12 itu tentang certainty, uncertainty, kemudian juga tentang giving suggestion. Kemudian skill 13 itu tentang empathic of surprise. Ya, di mana di skill 13 ini jawabannya adalah kebalikan dari apa yang diucapkan oleh speaker kedua, ya. Tapi kalau untuk yang skill 11, 12 itu kalau kalian bisa membuka buku catatan atau di buku yang kalian dapat dari kampus itu bisa dibaca bahwa kalian harus menghafalkan expression-expression yang diucapkan oleh speaker yang kedua. Ya, misalnya nomor 1, the phone bill is certainly high this morning. I'll say. Nah, itu adalah ungkapan agreement, ya. Jadi jawabannya yang D. She agrees with the man. Kok tahu kalau itu agreement? Silakan buka buku. You can open the module and you can see the expressions of agreement. And then number 2, I in calculus class this morning. Then he's not sick anymore. Itu adalah skill 13, empathic of surprise, ya. Jadi dia sudah tidak sakit lagi. Berarti asumsinya apa? Dia berasumsi bahwa Bill itu masih sakit. Ya, jadi jawabannya yang B. Bill was too sick to come to the class. Ya, jadi kalau itu tentang empathic of surprise, berarti jawabannya adalah kebalikan dari yang dia ucapkan karena itu adalah asumsi dari dia sendiri. Kemudian nomor 3. I don't know how I'm going to get this paper done by Monday. Why not stay home tonight instead of going out? Itu adalah suggestion, ya. Karena dia membicarakan tentang tugas yang harus dikerjakan dan dikumpulkan hari Senin, kemudian dikasih saran, kenapa enggak di rumah aja malam ini daripada pergi keluar? Itu artinya apa? Dia harus mengerjakan tugasnya malam ini. Oleh karena itu jawabannya yang C. The man should work on paper tonight. And then number 4, the cafeteria is closed in the morning. So the cafeteria doesn't serve breakfast. Oh, kalau kafetarianya tutup di pagi hari, terus dia bilang, oh jadi kafetarianya tidak menyediakan breakfast ya. Ya, karena breakfast adalah sarapan pagi. Kita cari jawaban yang mempunyai makna berkebalikan, yaitu yang A. The cafeteria was open in the morning. And then the next one is, do you think we can park in the lot without getting a ticket? As far as I know. As far as I know juga sebuah expression dalam uncertainty. Ya, jadi kita harus menghindari jawaban yang sangat yakin atau tidak tahu. Karena uncertainty itu artinya tidak yakin. Berarti jawabannya yang A. He believes that it is acceptable to park there. Jadi dia mungkin tahu, ya. Nah, itu nomor 5. Nomor 6. I'm so glad to be finished with that class. You can say that again. You can say that again is also agreement expression. Yeah, so the answer is D. He's happy the class is over too. And then number 7. I couldn't finish any of the math problems that Professor Allen assigned for today. Neither could I. Itu adalah agreement juga. Ya, kalau agreement sudah ada kata kuncinya, yaitu both. Ya, kalau ada kata both itu berarti jawabannya. Ya, jadi jawabannya yang D. Both he and the woman were unsuccessful on math problem. And then the next one is number 8. I just got back from the post office. Then you did remember to pay the packet. Ini emphatic of surprise. Oh, jadi kamu ingat ya untuk mengirimkan paketnya? Asumsinya apa dari speaker kedua itu? Ya, asumsinya adalah dia lupa ke post office. Jadi jawabannya yang B. The man had forgotten to go to the post office. And then number 9, I'm afraid there won't be enough space in my car. Let's take my car instead. It's bigger than yours. Ya, jadi ini juga suggestion. Ayo pakai mobilku saja karena mobilku lebih besar, lebih luas. Oleh karena itu jawabannya yang D. They should go together in his car. And then the last number is this muffins taste really great. They were freshly made this morning, weren't they? Itu juga nanti. Yeah, so the answer is B. He thinks that the muffins were recently prepared. Okay, so that's all the discussion of the questions that I'm sharing here about listening skill 7 to 13. Yeah, and then next week I will discuss about reading. Yeah, so we will discuss about reading skill if I'm not mistaken, skill 6 to skill 11. Yeah, so we will discuss about more about vocabulary. Yeah, so thank you very much. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.